Good day, kids! Okay, it's our language time once again, and our topic for today is all about places in our community. Okay, what are the different places in our community, children? Let us learn that one today. Are you ready? It's time for you to listen. Okay, first place in our community is this. Do you know that? That is what we call home. Again, home. A home, children, is where the family lives happily. Okay, so kids, in our home, it is where our family lives. It is where we eat, we sleep, we take a bath, we rest, and we go home, children, after our whole day work, or when we go out, always we go home at the end of the day. Okay, so great, that's home. Next one is, what is that? That's what we call school. Again, school. A school, children, is where we learn many things, especially how to read, write, and count. But then, sad to say that for this school year, you are not allowed to go to school or in a physical school, right? Because of the pandemic. That's why you are here in our online class to continue learning even you are not going to school. Okay, another one. That's what we call market. Again, market. This is where we buy our food and other needs. Okay, that's why when mommy go to the market, she will buy meat, vegetables, fruits, or anything children. She will buy in the market. Okay? Okay, next one. That's what we call hospital. Again, hospital. A hospital, children, is where our health is checked and where sick and injured people are treated. So when you are sick and not feeling well, your mother will bring you to the hospital. Okay. Another one also. That's what we call barber shop or beauty salon. Okay, what do we do in a barber shop or beauty salon? This is where we get our haircut and other beauty services. So if you want to have a new haircut, you go to the barber shop if you are a boy. And if you are a girl, you go to the beauty salon. Okay? Okay, next one. That is what we call bank. Everybody say bank. Do you know what is a bank, children? It is where we keep our money safe. Okay, if you want to save money, you have to bring that one to the bank. Okay. There's more example, of course. This one is what we call restaurant. Everybody say restaurant or fast food store. This is where we buy and eat specially cooked food. Have you been to a restaurant, children? Okay, there's a lot of restaurants here in Davao. Also fast food store like Jollibee, McDo, Greenwich, what else? KFC. Okay, a lot of fast food store also. Mhm. Okay, next one is this one. This is what we call post office. Have you been to a post office, children? Okay, what is a post office? It is, children, it is where we pick up and send letters and packages. So if you want to send letter to your relatives or your loved ones or your friends in the far places, you can write children a letter and you are going to send that one in the post office. And they are the one to send it there to the place of your um, distant relatives or friends who are in the far places. Okay, next is this one. Do you know that? That is what we call police station. Again, police station. A police station, children, is where we call for help when bad people do us harm. Okay, when there is something bad guy there, you can call children in the police station. The policemen are there, okay, to protect us children. Okay, next is this one. Okay, there are firemen. This is what we call fire station. Again, fire station. It is very call for help when there is fire. Okay. So have you been to a fire station? Not yet? Mm-hmm. Okay, next one is this bakery. Again, bakery. A bakery children is very buy bread, cakes, and cookies. Okay, if you want to eat cake, you go to the bakery and buy some cakes. If you want to eat bread or cookies, you go to the bakery. Okay, and there's more. What do you call this one? Mm-hmm. That's what we call drugstore. Again, drugstore. What do we do in a drugstore? It is where you buy medicine, vitamins, and other health needs. Okay, so if you are not feeling well, you go to the drugstore and buy medicine, or you buy vitamins for you or your family. Okay, or other health needs. So one of the example of a drugstore is Mercury Drug. Okay, Rose Pharmacy. There's a lot actually. Okay, next one. Oh no, what's that? That's what we call mall. Okay, a mall children is where we shop, relax, and have fun. Okay, have you been to a mall? Here in Davao, there are lots of malls here, like Gaisano Mall, Abriza Mall, SM, what else? NCCC Mall, Victoria Plaza Mall. Okay, so there you can shop there, children, if you want to buy something like clothes or shoes or toys. You can also relax and have fun there. Okay. Okay, next. That one. Kids love this one. Okay. Most of these children are closed nowadays because of pandemic. Okay. This is what we call park. Again, park. In park children, it is very stroll, jog, play, relax, and have fun. Okay. Like the People's Park. Okay, next is gas station. Again, gas station. Okay. Gas station or gasoline station, children, it is where we have our cars fueled. So if your car is running out of gasoline, you go to the gasoline station to refuel it. Mm. Okay, next one is this. This is what we call auto shop. Again, auto shop. An auto shop, children, is where we have our cars fixed. If your car is not in good condition, you're going to bring that one to the auto shop to be fixed. Good. Okay, next one is this one. This is what we call church. Everybody say church. What do we do in the church? It is where we hear mass and listen to the word of God. Okay. Me, I am a Catholic. I go to the church every Sunday. Do you go to church too? Next one is this one. This is what we call chapel. Chapel is smaller than church. Chapel is where we study the Bible and learn how to be good Christians. Okay. And lastly, this one. That's mosque. Again, mosque. What is a mosque, children? It is where our Muslim brothers go to worship. If we have our chapel, Catholics, the Muslim brothers, children, they have their mosque. Again, mosque. So there you go, kids. You have learned the different places in our community. Let us identify them one by one once again. Let me see if you can still remember them. Okay, this one. It is where our family lives. What do you call that? Home. Very good. It is where we are going to learn many things like how to read, count, and write. What's that? Yes, school. That one. It is where we are going to buy food. Or your mommy will buy meat, vegetables, fruits. What is that? Okay, market. Good. How about that one? It is where we hear mass, children. That's church. Good. Next one. It is where we go when we are sick or wounded. That's Hospital. Okay. How about if you want to get her new haircut? Barber shop for the boys and beauty salon for the girls. Okay, next one. It is where you are going to keep your money safe. That's bank. Good. Next one is it is where you are going to call for help when there is fire. What is that? Fire station. Good. Next one. It is where you are going to buy medicine, vitamins, and other health needs. What's that? Yes, drugstore. Next, it is where you are going to eat specially cooked food. That's restaurant or fast food store. Very good. That one, it is where you are going to send letters and packages. Yes, post office. Okay, next one, it is where you are going to call for help when there are bad people that do us harm. That's police station. It is where we are going to shop, relax, and have fun. What's that? Mall. Very good. Next, it is where we are going to fuel our cars. That's gasoline station or gas station. Next, it is where we learn how to read Bible and the words of God. What's that? Smaller than the church. Chapel. Very good. And next, it is where we are going to buy breads, cakes, and cookies. What's that? That's bakery. Very good. And what's that? It is where we are going to fix our cars. That's auto shop. And lastly, it is where the kids love to stroll, have fun, and play. Yes, park. Good job. Okay, kids. Wow. Excellent. So you have learned something new today in our language subject. It's all about different places in our community. Study them well, children, and familiarize each places in our community. Okay? That's all for today. Bye, kids.